Hello friends, welcome to Review with SAMESH YouTube channel and welcome to eBook Valet review. You are minutes away from accessing push button ebook creations and profits. The one way to create, design and publish profit, producing ebooks and audiobooks for any needs in a matter of minutes. No writing or design skills needed. Everything is done for you by AI. The writing, the design, the image, the formatting, everything. The pizza, the first and only AI ebook and audio creation app of its kind to hit Jvzoo over $10,000 in price via two price pools, proving recurring in components for long-term earning. Mass appeal product with all the signs of a high converting launch. Leverage the most advanced AI which will write, design and format ebook for you. Instance ebook is any niche with zero writing or design skill. Just pick a topic, click a button and let our AI to do all the work. You have the writing, formatting, layout, image, heading over design, even the call to action. It's all done for you in 1 minute. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's descriptions and subscribe our YouTube channel for more digital software related review and product. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's description.